nice to see you again.
A lot of you guys have been wondering.
For right now.
So you'll need 6 photos of each Blackpink member. But first go to PixArt and we will collage for photos. Change the ratio, remove the border and adjust each photos like what I'm doing. If you're done, save it. Then go to Capcut. Add new project. Then add the collage photos we edit in PixArt. Adjust its duration longer. Then add the audio we will use. Make sure you save me a short video of this edit, then add it as an overlay. Now click the audio cause we're gonna add beat from Match Cut. Add beat every flash that shows on screen. When you're done, delete the overlay. Put the white linear and yellow dot, then click it overlay. Then now add plain white from stock videos. Click edit option, then crop it to 2.35 to 1. Go to Splice and click Overlay to make it flash effect. Adjust the duration to 0.4 second, then add animation, fade out. Copy it, then put it on every yellow dot. A little adjustment. When it's done, delete the audio and export the project. Click back and delete all flash effect. We can't delete it, so we need to add the project we exported first before we delete this clip. Now let's add the wave effect thing. So let's add animation, combo, wave and slide. Now export it. Go back, then replace the clip with the video we exported. Adjust its duration to 2.9 seconds. Exit to this project and make another one. Add one photo. Adjust its duration to 3.7 seconds, then add animation. Click combo, then add animation, slide and wave. Then export it, then go back and replace it with Liz's photo. Export again and replace it with Rosie photo. Export it, then replace it to Jisoo's photo. Export it, then go to our first project. Now add the 4 clips we added earlier. Adjust their duration to 0.9 second, then add animation, combo, wave and slide. Now add new project and add the clip we edit on PixArt earlier. Duration 5.6s animation, wave and slide. Export, then add it to our main project. Duration 2s animation, wave and slide. Now add text. Just follow what I'm doing. Now add 4 photos of Jenny. Adjust the 3 first photos to a 3S. Now add the same photo of this 4th clip as an overlay. Adjust the duration to 1.5 seconds, then adjust the color of it. Now add keyframe from the start and at the end of the clip. Zoom the clip at the end keyframe. Set the opacity to 0. Do the same steps at the other member's clip. Now go to Jenny's clip, then add animation on their ever 3 photos. Add in zoom to. Now it's done. If you want flash effect, just add one. Just add the audio and you can now export it.
Yeah, that's what I do. So a lot of you guys have been wondering.
So for right now.
Thank you for watching.
What I do. So a lot
I'm so full right now.